What you're hearing now is me actually playing this whistle. This video is not sponsored in any way by McNeela or by Killarney whistles. I bought this whistle with my own money and I'm reviewing it to you unbiased and as honest as I possibly can. Okay, so will this whistle replace the whistles that I'm currently using? Let's see how my video did from last week. Got a lot of responses. Colin Farrell, I thought the same thing, should only be 5 minutes. Wait a minute, did he get more likes than my post did? Easy to learn how, but not at all mastered, and his whistle looks like it's made from a leftover cardboard from a bog roll. What? Do I need a new whistle? That's it. I'm getting a new whistle. Well, it comes in a nice case. Oh, look at that. That is a beauty. What's up, you guys? Matt Saunders here, and I'm going to do a whistle review here for the Killarney D whistle. I just got this today, and I'm so excited to review this for you guys. I got it via McNeela Instruments in Dublin, and it came here in about a week, so I was pretty impressed with how fast they were able to ship everything out. So this whistle came in at $90 USD. I think that's very affordable for most whistle players. I was so excited with the knife and opening up this thing. I actually cut the bag that it came in. I spent so much time in Limerick. Anytime I get a Stanley knife in my hand, I just go crazy. I'm extremely impressed with the quality of craftsmanship that went into making this thing. I mean, you can just tell here from the thipple, the mouthpiece, the actual chiff part of the whistle, and the way the holes are cut and everything, that this is a very well-made whistle. The plating is beautiful on it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, initial thoughts, totally thrilled with the form factor of this whistle. I think it plays great. I went all the way up to a 3rd octave G, and F sharp in the 3rd octave, E in the 3rd octave, D in the 3rd octave, all sounded sweet. It is a lighter whistle to play. It takes a lot less breath. Pros, build quality. Build quality on this instrument is phenomenal. Price. The price this comes in at, $90 USD, that's pretty good. I played whistles that cost a lot more than that and have been way less impressed. Again, the range of this whistle, big plus for me. I like to pop up into the 3rd octave sometimes. I'm definitely going to give this a big thumbs up when it comes to the dynamic range. And last but not least, the biggest pro I have to say for this whistle is its tone. The tone on this whistle is absolutely phenomenal. Cons? There's really not a whole lot. If I had to really nitpick, I would say that it maybe isn't as loud as some thicker walled whistles. It's going to kind of relate to who this whistle is for. So who is this whistle for? I think this whistle is excellent for beginners. I think it's excellent for intermediate players. I think it's excellent for advanced players, especially if you're doing recording work or gigging and you got a mic. I would say this whistle may not be the best session whistle if you're playing in a noisy session and you want to be heard above all of the noise. Have any of you used this tin whistle at a session? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you think it's loud enough. So big shout out to McNeela Instruments. You guys are awesome getting this whistle to me so fast. I was really impressed with the packing job and everything. I have their link down here in the description below. You can go check them out. And also, big thanks to Killarney whistles. I'm definitely going to be getting an E flat and a C. So to answer the question, is this whistle going to replace my whistles? Absolutely. I don't even think I'm going to look back. I think this whistle is going to be the only whistle I play. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you got any value out of this video, hit that subscribe button. That helps me out a lot. And be sure to comment if there's any kind of videos that you would like to see me do in the future, tutorials or just tunes or anything like that, or reviews. I'm happy to do that as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thanks for sticking it through to the end. Slán.